bit too big. Whoops. Yeah, that sucks. Okay. Well, we'll do a little bit smaller, okay? Okay, so we're doing the body at the moment. So I haven't been talking. I'm also sorry for the big break. I've been doing like assignments at school and stuff. So it's been a little stressful. Yeah, this is one of the hearts indicating a soul. There we go, this just makes it look like more than a heart. I mean, more like a heart. Okay. Yeah, let's just do this. Yep. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, it's like the speakers sort of thing. Then we'll do a dial up here. Yeah, there we go. Then we'll do something up here, look like this. Yeah. Do arms. Yep. Do this. Okay, good. That's his left arm. Now we'll do his right arm. Was it together? Okay, guys. Yeah. I also have a special announcement soon, but I'm not sure if I want to say it yet. Okay. I might do it in a different video. Oh, and that's the hard part, the head. Okay, here we go. Oh, so I might do pixel art of Minecraft with this with the Mettaton. Yeah. Wait, no, not just Mettaton. I mean Undertale. I don't know why I said Mettaton. Sorry, that was a sneeze. My dogs are barking as well, so I might do a dog introduction video, maybe. Maybe. Now we're just colouring the head. I mean the hair, sorry. Yeah. That's my drawing of Mettaton EX. Let's save it. What am I gonna save it as? I don't know. Why didn't I type that in? I was just looking at this image over there. It was like Donald Trump who says build a wall. It's a funny meme. Yeah. Okay, thanks guys for watching.